What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have an unboxing for you. It's been quite some time since I've done an unboxing, to be honest with you, but I'm excited, really excited to unbox and listen to these speakers. These are the KEF LS50 wireless 2 speakers, and I'm excited because the original version, the LS50s, they were basically highly regarded and widely regarded as good speakers, legendary even in some circles. And KEF followed them up with these in 2020, the wireless 2s. These are a pair of active speakers, which means that they have amplification and processing built right into the speaker. So you don't have to buy a separate amplifier or processor. All you have to do is connect them to power and connect them to your favorite source device, whether it be your television, CD player, or even your phone. You're actually going to run a lot of what these can do via the KEF app on your phone or tablet. So all you got to do is connect all of those things and you can begin listening to your favorite music or watching your favorite television shows. Now, personally, I had an opportunity to review the Q150s from KEF maybe about a year ago, and I really enjoyed that. They had the Unicube driver, so they had that going on, but they also had really good bass response considering they were just relatively small bookshelf speakers. I was really impressed. So I kind of have some high expectations for the wireless 2s here. But another thing that I like about the wireless 2s is they come in several different colors. Here I have them in the titanium gray, but they also come in a black, a white, and a red. And I really like that, to be honest with you. I love it when manufacturers have a wide variety of colors to choose from. So definitely go check them out, check out which ones you want and buy them. In fact, use that link down there in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. But as far as the shipping is concerned, as you can see, this box has speakers on the front. So if they are delivered to your house, you want to make sure you are home because people will know you have speakers on your front porch. The box itself is not very big. I mean, I'm easily able to kind of get my arms around it, but it is relatively heavy. The box weighs 52 pounds. Remember, the speakers have amplifiers built right in, so it's going to be a little bit heavier than a pair of passive speakers, and also they're going to be a little bit more expensive than a passive speaker, again, because of the amplifiers and processors built in. But otherwise, this is a nice box, I guess I should say. Let's go ahead and let's break it open and see what these speakers look like. Accessories in the center of the box in between the two speakers, and they have some tape here that says lift from the side so you don't damage the drivers or the amplifier on the back. They smell new. The LS50 Wireless 2 includes KEF's Unicube driver array. It has a 5¼ inch woofer and a 1-inch vented aluminum dome tweeter with the metamaterial absorption technology built in. It has a frequency response from 45 Hz to 28,000 Hz, and it has 2 amplifiers, a Class D amplifier that outputs up to 280 watts to the woofer, and a Class AB amplifier that outputs up to 100 watts to the tweeter. It includes Bluetooth 4.2, Apple AirPlay 2, Google Chromecast support, is Roon ready, and UPnP compatible. It features many of the major streaming services including Spotify, Tidal, Amazon, Qobuz, and many others. It supports music resolution up to 384 kHz at 24-bit. Format support includes MQA, DSD-256, FLAC, ALAC, Ogg Vorbis, and many others. Each speaker is 12 inches tall, 7.9 inches wide, 12.2 inches deep, and as a pair, they weigh 44 pounds. In the US, the pair costs $2,799. Okay, first impressions. These things look great. I honestly wasn't sure what to expect when I saw titanium gray. I was like, I don't know. But these speakers look fantastic because they have a nice gray surface finish on the exterior. The driver has this black surround with this copper red in the center. Looks fantastic. That continues on the back of the speaker with back here, you got the black and then the red on the port right here. It looks fantastic. Regardless of what color you get, I think you're going to like it. The speakers themselves are a little bit taller than I thought they were going to be. Just looking at the pictures, you know, because it kind of curves a little bit, I thought they'd be, I don't know, 8, maybe 10 inches, but they're 12 inches tall. So they're a little bit taller. But overall, I like the way these look. In the box, you get a power cable for each one of the speakers, and you also get an Ethernet cable to connect the speakers together wired, but they also pair wirelessly. On these cable ties, they have the KEF name, which is similar to the tape, also KEF. So there's these nice little, I would call little packaging design details that are quite nice with these. Also in the box, you get this remote and you get some batteries and a nice little quick start guide with warranty information and stuff like that. So that's everything that comes in the box. And as you saw, KEF did a great job packaging them. Now, this is the primary speaker. This is the secondary speaker. The primary speaker has all the connections on the bottom down here, including an HDMI, a coax, a digital connection. There's a sub out connection on both the speakers, and there is a Bluetooth pairing button, along with another button to pair these two wirelessly together. So all the main connections are here, but there are a couple of connections here on the secondary speaker as well. Now, I will be doing a full review on these speakers, so definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you'll be notified when that review goes live. I'm going to get these set up and sit down and just start breaking them in so I can really start my review process. I'm looking forward to that. So if you want to purchase these or anything else, use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.